Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to use video editor. Not just any video editor but a inbuilt video editor which is already available in YouTube. So first uh, before you start you just have to open YouTube. The shortcut is you can open anywhere Google, or then you can open Google Chrome and start using YouTube. The shortcut is just type YouTube and then click on Control plus Enter. So YouTube will open. If you have not signed in, sign in and with your YouTube account. After some days, I'm going to make a video about how to create a YouTube channel too. So open your channel and then go to. So this is my channel. To use video editor, you just have to open any video. Like I've already opened one. I'm editing it. So I will open one. How to open, I'll show you first. So let's use this one. So when we choose any video, after you have published it, when you scroll down a little bit down where there is the description box and stuff, there's one option with analytics called edit video. So click on that. The tab turns into YouTube Studio and this opens. Now the video is gone and then this is where how it looks. So you maybe want to change some things like title. You can just click on you can just type like now I'll just so you can type anything like uh, um, you can type anything, and but you have to look that you don't make a big title more than 100 letters. It's the same when you are publishing the video. So this is the description. You can even edit the description. So now I can just make anything. I can just type please subscribe again, please comment. So you can type anything, and then once you have done editing over here, you can just go to click on save. I'll show you more in this over here itself. So you can add it to any playlist directly from here instead of going to that. And this is over here where you can choose your end screens. Maybe you have forgotten to add it when you're publishing the video. You can open, so you can just open video editor and do it from here. It's so simple. Just click on end screen, go to the time where you are, and then you can just use it. Even you can use cards like that. So when you scroll more beneath it, you can find the age restriction. No, it's made for kids, and if you click on yes, it's made for kids, the comments will get turned off. And if you click on no, it's not made for kids, the comments will be turned on. And this is some more options. When you click on show more, this is paid promotion, like that is that. Tags you can add the video language, title and description language, all of that. It is just title and description languages. So when you choose that, this changes into any language you want, like Hindi, Kannada, Tibetan, whatever language you want. And then so this you can scroll standard YouTube license and all. So and this is where you can choose your category. Like when you didn't add anything, it's going to be people and blogs. After you add something, you can add anything like film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel and events, gaming, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, and many more. So these many are there. So I'm choosing science and technology. So this is some more options, and you can even show how many videos, likes and dislikes of this video, and that's good. And this is So this, if you go to another one, it lasts like this. If you want to discard the changes, you can just click on OK. So I have discarded it. It just so when you go to analytics, the first thing is going to be this video got 8 views since it was published. Then subscribers, all of that will come. Subscribers, this is the analytics, 14 days, 12 days. So you can see the analytics also. This is good. You can see how good your video is gone and how it's been. It's looking good also. So this is where comments. Comments is, you can even check comments over here. Now there are no comments, so you can choose. And subtitles. Subtitles is under the, so if I choose English, I have to scroll to E. So it has finished. And editor. This is the main thing in video editor. Video editor, the one which I have done to this video. I was trying to add a song to this, and it says it will take hours to add. So I've been waiting, and here is the video. You can go to how much ever time you want, you can choose, and then you can see how your video looks, all of that. And then here is the trim option. You can just trim. So this much of video is gone, 6 minutes are gone, and just trim it like that. And then this is the song what I was about to add for the welcome to my channel video. So that will be good if you add songs, but not for things which have sound. So you can. So when you click on add a track, the music option, or here pops up something else, and there are a bunch of music given here. There are broken, many music, some 20 or 30 music options which you can choose. For this I have chosen say yeah. Something like that. And then you can even preview your song. You can just click on anything like the song I chose. Maybe you can choose anything else like 2 minutes. You can even preview your song by clicking on that option right here. And to add the music, it's so simple. It's almost so simple. You just have to click on add button right here. It's not so tough. You can just open it, click on this add button, and then click on this add button again right here, and the video is added. And this is again an element. So like, it's also like an end screen. So this is something you want to make your something like blur. Now if you want to not make yourself see, like in the Google Meet one which it showed myself when I turned on my camera. So if you don't want that, you can just click on this and click on place blur, and then it says we are processing your video. Feel free to explore YouTube. In the meantime, processing will continue in the background, and this will take a lot of time because it has to detect all the videos. You can do that like this. And this is feedback. Surely you can send feedback, and you can, so I said you right, the element is also end screen. So here you go, all the options, wherever whatever you want to add the element. So now if I go to the end of the video, I went to the end of the video. I can just click on one playlist, one subscribe, two videos, whatever I want to choose. There are many. So look, one video, one playlist, one subscriber. So if I choose this, and then you can choose any, it will already choose. You can move them however you want. So you can move them, and then you can choose playlists. You don't have to do that also. You can choose your playlist, and then video will be all automatically changed. To choose a playlist, when you choose that already, you can just click on that pencil, and then you're free to add any playlist you have created or any playlist. But for video, so video you don't have any control of it. It'll add any video it wants. So, and once you have done editing everything, you can save this right here. And you click on save, all of that will get saved. And maybe you don't have something you're wishing for. You want maybe one more uh, channel over here, or any another video or another playlist. You can just click on this element, and then you can click on channel, or you can choose anything else. So now if I choose any video, you can choose any video like that. It has already you can look. So it has added video most recent upload. One of my most recent upload will be added, so you can adjust it however you want, maybe like this. So maybe however bad way, most way. So this looks good. So I can just add it like this. Maybe add the even the this one here, because that's the only playlist I have, and this looks perfect. So you can do this also. This is also very cool. You can do this, it looks cool. And then once you have done, you can just click on save. All of the changes you have made, added songs, whatever, all of them will get saved. Now I don't want to do anything, so I'm just clicking on discard changes. And if you click on discard changes, so all the things you have done are going to get wasted, because now if you discard changes, now all the changes like I've added in screens, all of the stuff, all of that is not going to be applied. So bye friends, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Bye friends, meet you in the next video.